Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video that you guys requested. This is on the Milani Amore Shine liquid lip colors. So all the shades I have here are neutrals. They have a lot of neutrals, which I really love. I've been loving these so much, and I mentioned them in a drugstore must-have video, and you guys requested that I lip swatch them. So I'm wearing the shade in 01 Delight now. This is one of my go-tos, one of my favorites. I put this one in my purse a lot. These are just a really nice liquid lip color without being matte. So they're not matte. They do have a shiny finish to them. I love them because they're not the most long lasting, but I feel like they last pretty good. They have like a little bit of a thicker formula to them, but they're nice and glossy, but not overly glossy where they slip outside the lip lines. They're very opaque. You get a lot of color payoff, and they're very easy to apply. The applicator on here is a little bit pointed, so it makes it easy to apply. And then it has a little dip in the middle, so it picks up quite a bit of product when you dip it into the container. Feels a little bit minty on the lips, and I would say it has like a slight scent, maybe a little bit pepperminty, sweet. I can't tell. It's very hard to tell. I feel like, yeah, it's a little bit pepperminty mint or something. So I picked all of mine up at Walmart. They were around $8. I think they were $7.97 each. I think at Ulta they retail for $8.99, so you will pay a little bit more there, but you can also use a coupon if you buy, you know, up to $15 in drugstore products. So they're very affordable. The packaging's nice. It's clear acrylic with a gold cap. And overall, I'm just loving these. I wear them a lot. They're in my everyday makeup drawer. I use them very frequently. I think these are a must-have. Like, I love these very, very much. All right, guys, so let's get into the lip swatches. The first one here is 01 Delight, and this is described as a beige shimmer nude. I got the descriptions off the Milani website. I feel like this one does have a little bit of a peachy tone to it, and it's the only one that has a shimmer to it. The rest of them don't, and it's kind of like semi-metallic, but I really like it because I feel like it makes the lips look nice and plump and juicy. So this is actually one of my favorites, and I really like it. I think it pairs with a lot. The second one here is 02 Tenderness, and this is described as a nude brown. And I do like this one as well. I don't feel like it's too brown or too dark. You know what I mean? Like, it's a nice nudie brown. I almost feel like it has a hint of rosiness to it. And this one's really pretty. I like this one as well. And the third one here is called Crush. This is described as a nude mauve. Mauves are my favorite. I love mauve blush, eyeshadow, lipsticks. And so this one is like a dusty, I would say it's like a dusty mauve. It almost has like a little bit of a purpley pink undertone, but you know, not too purple, not too pink. It's just like the perfect mauve shade. This one is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And then next is 05 Temptation. This one's described as a deep terracotta. Now this is one of the darker ones out of all the ones I got. I actually think this is the darkest, and I think this is the most recent one that I purchased. I don't think I had worn this one before. This is one that I actually got maybe like a couple weeks ago, and I think this is a really great fall color. Definitely has like terracotta tones to it. It's like a reddish brown. So next is number 10, Enchanting. This is described as a warm nude pink. I don't wear a lot of pink lipsticks. I don't like when they're too vibrant or just too pink in general. This one I will wear. It's a little bit more toned down. It's not too vivid, and I do like this one. It's very pretty. And then next is number 11, Charming. This is described as a nude dusty rose. This is actually my favorite out of all of them. I wear this one a lot, and yeah, it's kind of has those mauve tones to it as well, but it's not as purpley pink as like the prior one that we saw that was mauve. But I think this one pairs with a lot of looks, and I just really love it. It's the one I reach for the most. And then the last one that I have here is number 12, Addiction. This is described as a deep rose brown. This one's not as dark as the other one we saw that was a deep terracotta. This one has a little bit more rosy tones to it, whereas the other one was more of a reddish brown. This one still does have like brown tones to it, but it's more of a rosy brown versus like a reddish brown. So those were all the Amore Shine liquid lip colors that I have purchased and that I own. They do have some like reds and berry shades, some more vibrant shades that I haven't picked up. I just gravitated more towards the neutrals because those are the colors that I wear more often. But if you guys have some other favorites in the line, just let us know which ones are good down below. I mean, these are all a great formula. They're very consistent across the board, but it's just gonna vary depending on what colors you like. I do wish they would come out with even more nudes. I have like a fuzzball on my lip. Sorry. I wish they would come out with even more nude shades. For instance, something like this. This is from Dosa Colors. Like something like this where it's a little bit lighter, more beigey toned. That would be awesome. They do have a lot of nudes, but I think they could definitely expand the nude line. I think these are fantastic. Like I said, I keep them in my everyday makeup drawer. They're the ones that I wear most often. Is number 1, Delight. Number 2, Tenderness. Number 11, Charming. And number 10, Enchanting. So these ones right here. And the other ones are fun too. They're just a little bit darker and I don't reach for darker shades as often. More in the fall I do now and again, but for the most part I like to wear pretty wearable neutral colors, not too dark. But I do like the dark ones as well. I think they're really nice and they don't slip outside the lip line. And they actually don't get on my teeth. As long as I don't apply too much, like this is the perfect amount, but if I really went ham and put more on, which I don't need at all because it's so opaque, then I would probably get it on my teeth. But if you apply the perfect amount onto your lips, you definitely won't get any on your teeth. So even with the darker shades, you can see like this one hasn't transferred onto my teeth at all. So I love these. I like how they're very shiny on the lips. They're very opaque. They have a great applicator. The packaging's cute. The price point is nice. And overall, the formula is just great. So I really enjoy these. I wish they would expand the color selection to more nudes, and that would be awesome. So if you guys have tried these out, let us know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.